Hello, good evening, wonderful people of BOSSTRADERS GH. Welcome to another tutorial of ours. Today we are going to look at how you input an SL and a TP when given a signal in the BOSSFS app. Okay, now when you are given a signal in the BOSSFS app, you don't just sell or buy. You have to look at the parameters given. Some of you, what you do is you go in for pending orders. Meanwhile, the signal given is let's say a market execution, but then you decide to go for a pending order because there is a price quotation against the pair or the signal that was given, and that is very wrong. When you do that, if the quotation is close to the TP, that means your trade will start running from the TP, and that means you are going to get a lesser profit compared to those who entered the market on a market execution entry. And secondly, you make a higher loss than those who entered as market execution, that is immediately the signal came in. So when they are making smaller loss, you'll be making bigger loss because you entered the market very late. All right, thank you. But before Shire time, we have to hit poverty hard. We have to hit poverty hard. It is time to hit poverty hard. You must not give poverty the opportunity. Please, if you are new to the channel, once more subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification button for more information anytime we upload new videos. I'll try as much as possible to upload new tutorials every week, at least once or twice every week. Every tutorial that you need, you can get it from this channel, ranging from how to trade rightly, the type of brokers that teammates use, their withdrawal and deposit methods, and you choose from them and trade with whichever one you want to use. We are not going to tell you to use a particular broker. You will have to choose which broker you deem right to use. We will just suggest to you and you will select from them and trade with them. Okay, without delaying, let's dive into today's video. And today, as I said, we are coming to look at how to enter trades. Okay, how to enter trades, the right way to enter trades. So I'll use the last signal that came for the newbies, the signal that came into the newbies channel this evening. That is the GBP USD signal that came in around 10:24 p.m. this evening. So that signal says sell. Okay, that signal says sell. Now the signal is saying sell. It didn't say you should do what? You should sell stop or buy stop, okay, or sell limit. It's telling you to sell. So that type of signal we refer to is as what? A market execution signal. Okay, a market execution signal. Please, are you okay? So this is a market execution signal. Sorry for my voice this evening. I'm having a little bit of cold. So with this type of signal, you will just have to enter the market immediately. You don't need to wait for the market to reach that price that has been quoted. Okay, the quoted price. Okay, you don't need to wait for that price, that quotation. Okay, you enter the market straight away. All right, so first, when you are given a signal like this, if you can't split your phone screen into two, the best way to do it is that you write down the parameters quickly. You don't waste time, so you quickly write down the parameters, your SL and your TP or your target. So here we'll be using the SL and the target one or the TP one, okay, for this particular example. And please, if you are demonstrating this, I would advise you to do it on a demo. Okay, do it on a demo. because I'm using a demo to do this demonstration. Don't do it on a live account. Alright, so anytime you are given this particular type of signal, you first come to your quotation. So this particular arrow here, okay, depicts your quotations. This side, these candles depict your chart. This particular arrow with 3 dotted lines depict your running trades, and then this section depicts your history, that is trades that have been closed or have hit SL. Right, so you click on the quotation and then it will bring you to this session. So this pair is GBP USD. So here we have GBP USD. If it is not here, you have to scroll down till you find it. If you can't find it here, you come to this top corner where we have this plus sign here. You click on it. Please, I'm using Android on PC, so sometimes it takes some time. Okay, all right. So when you click on that, it will bring you to this side. So since I'm using a mini account, I'll come to Forex Mini, click on it, and then these are the other pairs. So you just click on it, click on them, and then they'll be added to the other quotations. Okay, all right. So let's go back. Alright, so we are back. So this is our GBP USD. So you click on it and then this will pop up. Then you click on what? New order. So please, when you click on the new order, come on. Alright, so when you click on the new order, this is the interface that will come. Now I'm going to use the smallest lot size for the sake of those with the lowest account. So with $100 and below account, okay, with $199 and below account, you use 0.01. So I'm going to use 0.01. So you delete this session. Okay, so I've changed it to 0.01. okay, if you are using a $200 account, you use 0.02. now this is the first thing you must look at. Okay, now the signal says sell, so you don't touch this thing here, this market execution. You don't come here, you don't come to this session, you just leave the market execution to be there. Okay, you don't change it. Please, are we following? Okay, you don't change it. So when you are done with that, with your lot size, which is this session, then you come to your SL, where we have the red line here, and the green line is your TP. So here the SL that was given was 1.267. so the SL is 1.267, and the TP that was given was, that's our target 1.258. 1.258, that was our TP given. So after putting all these parameters correctly, and you have done them correctly, the signal says sell. So after putting all these things, don't come here, don't change this market execution, just come to the bottom here and click on sell by market. If it is buy, you come here and click on buy hot market. But here we are selling, so you click on this. Alright, so our trade has been accepted. Excuse me, our trade has been accepted. Sorry about that. because it is not the PC or app, that's why it's behaving that way. So there you are. So here we have our trade, so it's now running. So if you click on this trade, you realize that if you click on it, you will see your SL and your TP. Okay, all right. Now if you want to study the chart, these buttons down here, as I said earlier, this is the one that will take you to where the pairs are or the quotations. This one is the chart that will show you the graph, and this is where you see your running trades, and this is where you check your history of the close trades or trades that have hit take profit or SL. Okay, now when you have this, let's say your trade is close to is close to SL, but then the expert said that we should modify our SL to a different SL. The way you do it is you drag from your right to your left on that particular trade, and then you click on this pencil sign here, you click on it. So this will bring you back to where we entered the SL. So you just delete the old SL and put the new one and type in the new one that was. So let's say 1.268 was the new one given. When you finish, you see that this modify sign will become active. You click it, and then your trade will be modified to the new SL. So that's how we modify a trade's TP or SL. So sometimes you may be asked to take partial profit and move your trade your SL into entry or into profit. So that is how you modify it. But this partial profit will be a tutorial on its own that we will look at later on. Now let's look at if you have been asked to close a trade. Okay, so the same way you swipe from right to left, and then you come to this sign here, which looks like the way they mark a work that is correct. Okay, and then it is circle, so you click on that. Okay, so this interface will come and they'll ask you close with profit this. Okay, if it is loss, they'll tell you close with loss this, but we are in profit, so they say we should close. So if you are asked to close a particular trade, okay, that's maybe close to TP, this is how you come. You do it. You wipe to the left, and then you come here and you close with profit. So order is closed. Bam. So you can come and check. So you can come to the history section here, and there you see our closed order. Okay, there. All right, I thank you all for watching today's tutorial. Till we meet again, I want to remind you that if you are a new person on our channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification button, so that you always get notified anytime we post new videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Boss Traders, home of notable result. Join us today and become financially free. Shire, hit poverty hard, hit it again, hit it harder. Shire.